Yo, what's poppin', everyone? Welcome to Gap Trades. You already know who it is. It's your host with the most, Jermaine Hatcher. And today we're going to be looking into the first trade of 2019. Yes, we're going to see what it was, how much profits was generated off of it, and if it's going to be a good year or not. That's the topic. Let's go ahead and just dive on into it. The first trade of 2019. All right, cool. Yes, and we are back. We looking at a beautiful chart here. Yes, we are. First trade of 2019. What was it? The first trade of 2019 was a momentum trade. It actually started off yesterday around 4 p.m. That's when we entered into the trade. The markets opened up around, it was 3 yesterday. That's when the markets opened up. That's the great thing about the futures market. It trades almost 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So while the equities market was closed yesterday, the futures market actually opened up at 3. But we jumped into the trade yesterday around like 4 o'clock, almost close to 4, around like 3:30 at 23,408. That was the entry point. We hit the high of 23,417. So after we hit the high, we looked to go short. So we end up going short at 23,408, and we just end up riding it all the way down. It was low, very moderate activity during the trading session yesterday, but it was enough to go ahead and push it low all the way until we hit the new low of 22,786 around I want to say about 12:18 in the morning this morning. So we almost held it for 12 hours. It was 8 hours of a holding time. The profits generated was almost close to $3,000. It was $2,800, $2,865 just to be exact. Our exit position was 22,830. That was 573 points of a drop in the futures market. And so, good day, good 8 hours worth of trading to be in the trade. First trade of the year, almost close to $3,000. Cannot beat that. So what happened is now the equities market opened up. So we opened up about 366 points down. We're making our way up. As you can see, it's a gap down play. So what we do on gap downs is we go long the market. We're sitting up in here. We're good. We got to make up 366 points. If this window fill for the day, which it could, I'm looking forward to it filling. Is about a 70% chance of it filling today. If it fills, that'll be an extra $2,000 on the trade. So you're looking at $5,000 for the opening trading sessions of 2019. Just 2 trading patterns of playing the market. Not looking for a bunch of stocks that you have to go through, picking one. A momentum trade and a gap trade. 2 high probable, low risk trades that just netted you $5,800. Well, it depends on if the gap down window filled today. But if it does, $58,000, almost $6,000 trading. But you already would have made $3,000 momentum trading. If you would have jumped into the market yesterday, just going short from the high. But that's it. So I will let y'all know how this window pans out later on today. Yes, and there we have it, people. A little soft 3 bands to open up 2019. You cannot complain about that, can you? 8 hours worth of trading. I mean, I mean, what else can you say? I mean, that's gonna be my new joint for 2019. When it's like nothing to say, it's just gonna be like, with a, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, though. Anywho, that's it. Momentum trading. First trade of 2019 was a momentum trade, netted you close to $3,000. We'll see how today pans out for the gap play, to see if it's gonna go ahead and double what we made today, because 366 points, $5 a point, 30, and it's almost $1,900, $2,000. So it'd be close to $6,000 if the gap down window fills today. But that's it. First trade of 2019 was a momentum trade. You would have made $3,000 in profits if you made the trade, if you jumped into it yesterday. And that's it. I will holla at y'all mañana. Alright, cool. Yo, what's poppin'? Real quick, like a market update. Our window did fill. Our gap down window did fill. It filled around about 8:20 this morning. So that was 367 points. So it was $1,835 for that trade. $1,835 on that trade to go ahead and go with the momentum trade. The momentum trade earlier. Let's see, of 3,000, so almost $4,000. I mean, you can't beat that. $4,500 for the day. So good day. But that was a market update. Like I said, our gap down window did fill. We're on the way down right now. We did hit a high when that